In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a footprint chart in Sierra Chart. Begin by hitting File on the title bar. Then click New Chartbook. Next, hit File again and press New Intraday Chart. Select the symbol as desired, and then press Open. Next, press F6, or right-click in the chart and hit Studies. Select the number bar study, then press Add. Next, hit Settings. There are 3 main areas from left to right, all of which can be used to display data. Column 1 is the main column. Change the number bar's text, background type, and coloring methods to desired inputs. This example shows bid and ask volume, using a volume profile coloring method. Next, hit OK to apply these changes. Simply dragging the scales will adjust the number bar visibility and size. There are more settings and customizations available. Check out my next video for more. There is a link for a free trial for this software in the description, and a link to my Sierra Chart handbook filled with guides and resources. Consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.